Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will know the meaning of what is result plus total in football betting. See, this is a football sports betting app called BetNU, and see this one match, UEFA European U21 Championship and England U21 versus Netherlands U21. There will be one option called result plus total. See, if you scroll down, you will find that result plus total. Just if you click on that, there will be several options. So you must understand what is the exact terms of this. Okay, first one is, see, W1 and TU 1.5 in bracket. Yes, that means result W1. So W1 will win, England U21 will win finally, and total TU means total under 1.5. Okay, so if it is 1-0, then final result is 1-0, then this option, this betting option will win. Okay, W1 as well as total under 1.5. Okay, yes means yes, it should happen. Okay, then no means it should not happen. Suppose if it is like that 2-1 or 2-0, total goal above 1.5, so W1 wins and total goal is over 1.5. Okay, that is called total over 1.5. No, so no means it should not happen. Okay, so 2-0 and one total over 1.5 should not happen like that. Okay, it is 1.51 just given. Then next one is W1 and TO. TO means total over. Okay, TU means total under. Okay, so W1 is the result and total over 1.5. Yes, so yes means 2-0 or 2-1 or anything over 1-0. Okay, then total under 1x. Result is 1x. 1x means maybe first team win or it may be tie, draw, and total under 1.5. No means it should not happen. Okay, so in this way you got to understand all the term. The next term, read 1x. 1x means it may be draw or first team win, and total under, TU means total under 1.5. That means total goal should not exceed 1.5, and it is yes, it should happen. If it is happening, this is the odds they have set. Okay, then they have given no, total over 1.5, 1x and total over 1.5. They have given no for that 2.23 has been given. So in this way you got to understand all the term. Okay, also for W2 they have whether they have given W2, no, only they have favored for W1 because this is one result total plus. Okay, so first team, based on the first team, these betting parameters are set. Then for second team, result is, if result is W2, then total under 1.5 means yes, means it should happen. So high odds are showing because it is risky. It does not happen like that. Bookies have set. Okay, so these are all the meaning. Result plus total means result is the team winning and total is total over or under. Okay, yes or no, you decide. Okay, yes means it should happen, no means it should not happen. If you place on should not happen, if that does not happen, finally does not happen, then you will win, otherwise you will lose. Okay, So read the terms and accordingly you can set your parameter. That's all friends. Bye.